Okay. Oh.
Hi everybody, I'm here now in Mindanao and we are visiting the cousin of Tita Olivia who been married to British. So look at the house, it's very nice house, mother. So very nice house, guys. So ayan siya. So let's go, mother, let's go. And sundan mo. Halika na, video mo na ako habang naglalakad.
Ayun na.
Wait lang, mother. Hi everybody, I'm here now in Mindanao and we are visiting the house of Tita Sidad, Madam Sidad, who's married to British. So why wala siyang mother? Wala siyang ayan, ulit tayo guys. Guys, hi everybody. So I'm here now in Mindanao. We are visiting the cousin of Tita Olivia here in Naawan, Misamis Oriental, and she's been married to British. So ayan yung house guys, ang ganda. Let's go. I'm gonna turn you around. Let's go, mother. So ayan yung aking camera woman is my mother.
Oh.
So ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung niya, yung property niya here in Mindanao is so very nice. So here, ang ganda. So ayan guys, so as you can see, marami siyang trees of, ayan pakita mo, coconut trees. Ano nga yung tawag dito yung halaman na to, pampaswerte. So ayan guys. So I'm gonna tour you here sa property ni Madam Sidad. Si Tita Sidad. Ayan. Let's go, mother. Here's my mother, my camera woman, and the house there. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Matawag na ako, mother.
Dali kayo mag-charge ka doon.
And guys, i-tour ko lang kayo for a minute, no? To visit your family cousins. So ayan yung bahay, ayan si mother. So ayan mother, so ito pala yung swimming pool na hindi na naalagaan, napabayaan. So ayan mother. Ginawa na lang nilang fish pond ba, no? Diba? They make it as a fish pond.
Wala na talaga, wala na. Ayaw na may-ari.
Ano guys, ha?
Yan na siya.
So ayan yun, ayaw nyo mag-manage ng property.
Family banding lang sila dito.
Nakamak ka, lagyan niya ng pag ayaw niya i-correct, ayaw niya. So na-stress na si Tita. Ayun, meron siyang duyan. Tingnan mo guys, dinidevelop naman sana nila.
Beach Resort. Mabuhay Beach Resort.
Isa mabuhay. Ay, property.
Mabuhay Beach Resort.
So ayan guys. So pag maliligo kami, grabe naman ang alon ng guys. Kaya sobrang laki ng alon. So it's dangerous. So umuulan dito guys. Guys!
Yan ang session hall. Yan o.
Ha?
Yan ang session hall.
Hindi na pa rin yan.
Ayaw naman niya. Ayaw naman niya.
Ayaw niya, ano lang yan. Nakalak lang.
Family banding.
Family bonding lang nila. So guys, tingnan nyo dito. Ang ganda ko sorry kasi sobrang
Kapuyan na siya. Kulang sa management.
so kulang siya sa management.
Siya na kasi isa eh. Siya na kasi isa dito nakatira. Pero isan katira.
Si Tita Sidad lang, mag-isa naman nila.
Yung anak na sa Amerika, nandun sa ano?
Yeah, yung anak niya, no?
Only son, only.
UP.
Only son. Ito nga sa British.
British na, no? British. Yung anak ni Tita Sidad. Ang ipon. So, ang Pilipino. Okay? So, napansin niyo, hindi na siya nawala na. Ayan, for family vacations like resorts naman. I mean, resort house. No? Na lang nila, no? I mean. Ayan, halika mother! Alis na tayo, balik na tayo doon. After natin mag-ano. May mga puno siya guys, ayan. You can see may mga puno.
Function hall.
Oo, very nice, diba? If you have a property like this, like it's a beach resort,
Oh. Napa may baligya diri, beach resort.
so marami pong ano guys, marami,
Sinong gusto na?
marami pong mga beach resort for sale here in my place.
Meron dito magkano yun? 18 million?
Ha?
Yo, 18 million sa
So
ito.
just beside this area, so beside ng wall na yan,
18 million, 18 million.
for sale like 18 million pesos. So ganyan sa kalaki. So sulit naman, diba?
Maluwang yan, taman doon.
Maluwang yan, sulit naman. If you will do it as your beach resort, pwedeng business, up to you. Pabalik na tayo. It's peaceful talaga. Sobrang peaceful sa place namin. Very nice. No? Yun nga lang, kailangan magtrabaho ni DLG. No, kasi nga, may anak. I had son that I need to support. So, yun guys, sobrang ganda ng ano ng property nila dito. Hindi lang dinevelop ni Madam Sigat kasi for nagpapahinga siya. Isa lang yung anak niya ma'am, di ba si Edward lang?
Oh, isa lang. Bago lang yung nag-uwi dito.
So si Edward just came from
Wala may kaadto eh, kay
na rin.
lain man ang lawas ni tito ni mo.
Hindi kayo nakita noon.
Wala siya nakita.
Ayan si mother ko guys. Ayan may mga puno na yun.
Kasi time man to sa ano, sa election.
Mother, say hi to my vlog. Hi, that's my mother. Thank you for watching guys and see you on my next video. Bye for now. Bye mother. Bye. So yan mother.
Stop na ni?
Wait lang. Huwag mo munang i-stop mother.
Nga naman yung duha man yung gamit.
So ayan
Balit kag
guys.
drone ni.
Ito
Mapang
magsalita
drone.
muna ako
Uy.
dito.
Magbili ka ng drone.
Drone, yeah, drone. If I have drone, it's very nice. Ayan guys. So yan, nakita nyo, property ni Ma'am Sidad or Tita Sidad. So ayan, first cousin ni Tita Olivia, yung kasama ko from USA. So, ito yung bahay ni Madam Sidad. First cousin sila ni Tito, di ba? So, this property is a first cousin of my stepfather. Okay? So, first cousin sila. But Tita Sidad, she, ha?
Eh, pagbagito.
Ay, sige lang, good. It's okay. People will know it's okay. So, this one is may mga puno. Ayan guys, no? Galing. So, pwede kayong mag-rest. Actually, sabi ni Tita Sidad. Okay. Actually, sabi ni Tita Sidad, yun, mga family.
Oh, may mangga yan, oh, mangga.
Ayan,
Oh,
may mangga. That's the house, mama.
mangga.
Very nice, diba? It's a rest house. Actually, this must be a rest house. But masarap. Ayan guys. So, ayan. Ayan guys. So, thank you for watching. So, ang sarap ng place namin. Very peaceful, right? So, for retirement, very nice to live in my place. It's very peaceful, non-polluted, ang sarap ng air, fresh air. So, if I wanna choose, I want to retire in this place because it's very quiet, peaceful, no pollution, and very, very maganda place, you know, in you see, gosh, if I live here, I like it. But I need to work for now kasi I'm still young. I have a son to support. So, I keep on traveling. But later on, I choose to, you know, buy some property or whatever here in Mindanao. It's very nice. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much to my mom who's my assistant doing this video. Mother, I love you so much. Thank you very much for assisting me doing my vlog. And see you on my next video. Bye! Mwah.